All right, it says traces of some carbon something or other. Traces of it, of the original remains, but only 1.67% of the original remains. It was burned or something like that. So the question is, if the half-life of that particular element is 5,600 years, when was it cut down, or when was it last standing? Approximately. Obviously, we're going to have to approximate this because we're just going to have to. So here's the formula: A equals A sub 0 times e to the kt for some k. So when they give us a half-life formula, the half-life, that's telling us that 1/2 of the original amount was left in 5,600 years. So we're going to solve for k here. This is, again, we've done this in other videos, but this is sort of what you have to go through to find what k is, or you can use a formula. There's another formula you can use to just plug it straight in, which will derive, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to cancel out the a sub 0. So e to the 5,600k equals 1/2, which means I'm going to take the natural log of both sides to get rid of the e, equals 5,600k, which means k, the constant, my constant right here, I'll color code this, my constant right there is equal to the natural log of 1/2 divided by 5,600. Okay, so let's just store that in our calculator. Punch that in and store it for x or something like that, for k.
Yep.
That's my k. So now the question is this: it says traces of that 1.67% of the original, that's a sub 0, remains. So my amount, right now my amount is 0.0167 times a sub 0. That's my amount right now, because it's 1.67% of the original that remains.
And A naught is original.
Yeah. And A sub naught is the original. So remember, I have my k. I already solved for that. What can I do with my A sub naughts now?
Cancel.
Yeah, those are going to cancel out. So here's my equation. 0.0167 equals e to the, whatever that mess is right there, kt, and they're asking when was it cut down. So I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. Remember, that natural log is so valuable because it allows us to solve this. Equals whatever that k is right here, kt, and I'm going to solve for t.
So it's just natural.
T equals the natural log of 0.0167 divided by that k constant that we found from before.
Is it? Did you get 33? I mean 3,000. No, 33,000.
3,260. Oh, sorry, 33,060.
Yeah.
I just didn't understand that.
And what was my answer?
33,000.
That is not what I got.
62.
It's 3,300.
33,062.4452.
3,300.
100.
33. Oh, yeah, you're right. No, it's 32,000.
No, 33,000.
The number you get is 33,062
Oh, yeah, 33,000. I didn't see the 0.
approximately.
Yeah,
You can just round it
sure.
because, you know, we're not looking for the month. So 33,062 years ago,
The only thing I didn't do
thing
is
was
that
cut
I
down.
didn't multiply it by a naught.
This. Or
That's
this.
where I went wrong.
So
is
that
K.
I just
so like
divided
this,
that
You added that
like this.
For what?
for K.